Hey everyone, join me today in installing this double curtain rod. I'm here to show you how anyone can do this in just a few simple steps along with a few tips and tricks. So check it out. And here's the brackets that come with it. In this setup, the back is going to be the thinner one, the 1/2 inch, and the front is going to be the fatter one. And to get it out of the foam here, just unscrew the end and you can pull it right through, or you can just cut this. Okay, separate the fat ones from the skinny ones. The skinny ones are going to go in the back, and so this is actually 2 pieces right here, and this piece right there is going to go right on that end. And you want to get it facing the right way to where the hole right there is sticking out, is facing that way. Basically, this is our center piece. That's a joint right there. Then you come on over here, and then there's the other side of it. So both sides are going to look like this. All right, we got one for each end and one for the middle. We're just gonna sit just like this. To just measure from the top of the roof, the same distance on each side. Then you know you'll be level. Put a screw in there and a screw down there. Now I'll do the same thing with the other side. Now what I did was find the center point between the two right there. So I measured from there all the way to there, divide it in half, and that's where that middle one's gonna go. Went ahead and marked it with the screw there, and it's 2 1/8 of an inch down from the top of the roof, just like the ones on either side of it. One of the nice things about having that centerpiece too is you can do this by yourself, and you can slide one part of the curtain rod into the holes, leave it up there, go grab your other piece, connect it, and connect the next piece. So it makes it really easy. Okay, now after you get everything put together, the kit comes with this little Allen wrench and these set screws right here. Pop that in there and then tighten them down, and then these two will stay in place. We were really happy with this curtain rod setup. It left us with a couple different options because you can have your privacy curtains in the front and get some light in there, and then also got the dark curtains in the inside.